Hello and welcome to Crafting Unedited. I am Sierra and I am your host. Just kidding. I am Sierra and I am the owner, designer, creator of all things craftily and Crafting Unedited. And today I'm going to show you how to take a colored image and turn it into a silhouette using Design Space by Cricut or Cricut Design Space. However you want to word it. Your choice. So what you're going to need is a laptop, an iPad, a phone, whatever your choice of electronic is, and Cricut Design Space. And I'm actually going to bring my computer up to you. So it's very easy. You need an image that I'm getting better at working with this stuff, so bear with me, okay guys? So first you're going to find an image, but you're going to go to upload once you have your image, and you'll go over here to upload image. So let me back it up a little bit. All right, so upload is over here in the left hand corner. It says upload. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, right there. Upload. So you're gonna select that. See if I can do that with my left hand. And once you're done with that, you'll go to upload an image right here. So you'll select that. You'll go to browse. It's very simple. And then you'll find the image that you want. The image that I want is a peacock. LMNOP. And we'll go with this guy here. So you'll hit open. Oh, I selected the wrong type of file. Whoopsie. So we'll just pick something else random. We'll take this gangster old guy and his chains. So you'll select, I always select complex. For fine detail blended, it doesn't really matter for this project though. So you'll select one of these three. They do explain each one in the text here. Simple is high contrast colors and transparent or monochrome background. Moderately complex is simple details and color with good contrast between subject and background. Complex is fine detail, blended colors, or low contrast between subject and background. This image is more challenging to work with. So what they're talking about when they say subject and background is this dude here and the white background, which is why I always select complex. So you're going to remove the background, which is all of this white space around him. And by doing that, you're going to select this little wand thing up here in the right hand corner. And once you've selected that, you'll just tap anywhere in the white and it'll turn into this pattern. See the pattern? Now you want to make sure, oh, see, we got his shirt. So this one might not work as well. We might have to do the erase function for this. So see, this guys is why I like to do these videos live and in person. That way you can see where you could go wrong, what you could do. So to undo what I just did, we're going to go over here in the top right hand corner and there's a little arrow that says undo or backwards. So we're going to select this. Oh, see, it does it again. So with this image, I'm just going to skip it and go to a different one. Let's try something else. I've got lots of pictures. We'll try this ring, I think. There's some weird noise going on around me. Alright, we'll try this one. Complex. I think that's my dog. Alright, continue. Oh, after you've selected which one of those methods you want to do, you'll select continue. Where did my ring go? Oh, Design Space is being a butt. Complex. So after you select one of these, you'll go down to the green little continue button down there. And you'll hit continue, and maybe Cricut will... Oh, you know what? Yeah, it's not Cricut, it's me. It's just ultra zoomed in. So this one's going to be super easy because the only white is around the ring. So I'll just select the white. Turns into patterned background. You see the pattern? It's like blue and white squares. And then you'll hit continue. And once you've hit continue, you can either save as print then cut, which will give you the color, or you can select save as cut image and it will give you a silhouette. See that? It's a silhouette. Simple, right? And then what I would do is rename this over here. You can name the file. It makes it easier so that if you are saving it or if you want to share it through Design Space, it's easier for the people you're sharing it with to find. So I'm going to rename it Ring Silhouette. And then once you've got it renamed, there's a save button down here in the bottom right hand corner. You'll just select save. La la la. And then there is your silhouette. See my little taekwondo silhouette guy down there? And you select it and you apply it. Any minute now. Oh yeah, I forgot that it's like humongous. Alright, so we'll just bring that down to like 5. There we go. See, now you have a silhouette. And when it cuts, it'll just cut around the background. That's it. Super simple, right? I thought so. So, subscribe to my channel. That way, when I do more tutorials like this, because I do plan on doing a lot more of simple things like that. Someone had asked me earlier how I do it or how it can be done. So I figured I'd do it in a video because it's easier that way, right? So, subscribe to the channel so that you can see more of my tutorials, videos, my shenanigans, and my quirky funness, right? I'm hilarious, aren't I? Anyways, subscribe, hit the bell so that you know when I'm on. You get a little alert or push notification. However, if you have that set up. I don't because I can't stand the little red dots on my phone. So, until next time, see you later.